Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Muhammad Ikram Bekali Johari. Today I would like to present about project management. For the introduction, PLSB is a company where it's providing service along the expressway and the jurisdiction which cover almost all highway in Malaysia. Their service, monitoring the traffic on the highway, monitoring the toll counter and facilitating the highway user who experience difficulties such as vehicle breakdown, road accident and other emergency case. In line with the organization strategy for 2016, PLSB has foreseen the need to move toward user engagement by providing a new mobile application for their user, community and stakeholder with their abundance of data. Project objectives: to develop PLSB mobile application for benefiting of expressway user, to make sure the project can be running as planned and meet the target, to assist employee in how to do their work tasks such as of developing a new mobile application, to achieve the complete and user-friendly mobile application within 6-month period, and the last one is to assist the employee task in a new platform which is mobile platform. The problem statement: to provide a new mobile application for the user, community and stakeholder with their abundance of data, to develop useful and user-friendly mobile application for expressway community, to make sure all users satisfied with the mobile application, and the last one is to ensure that all employees can complete the task on time as planned. For the project scope, the target user is stakeholder, community and PLSB user that use the highway in Malaysia. The function of the system: this application was built for facilitating the highway user who experience difficulties such as vehicle breakdown, road accident and other emergency case. Monitoring the traffic on the highway and monitoring the toll counter. System function of PLSB application: system administrator is able to manage the user account of the system, view list of user and update the system function. For the system user, PLSB IT department able to monitoring the traffic on the highway, monitoring the toll counter. System user: for the PLSB highway user, it able to report vehicle breakdown, road accident and other emergency case.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Izzuddin bin Muhammad Sofian. I would like to continue the presentation, which is I will present about the project charter, project timeline that consists of Gantt chart and also milestone. So okay, first one we going through about the project charter, which is the starting point of doing this application, which is we will doing presentation to propose our this project. So the project title is this project charter is consists of project title, project start date and finish date, budget information, project manager, role and responsibility, and also sign off and comments. Okay, so the title of the project is PLSB Mobile Application Expressway Community Project, which is we will start from 4th July and will be end. This project is about 3rd December 2016. Okay, about our project information is about 1,000 for the total implementation of model of new mobile application. So our project manager is Muhammad Izzuddin bin Muhammad Sofian. Okay, this email. Okay, then about the objective and approach. Objective is about to provide and develop PLSB mobile application within 6 months for benefit of highway user, community and stakeholder in order to use the application in difficult situation and emergency case such as vehicle breakdown, road accident in expressway with their evidence data. Okay, the approach consists of 4 instructions. Which is provide the PLSB mobile application give benefit for expressway community, and the second one is develop detailed cost estimation for project and report to CEO of PLSB. The third one is about issue a request for code to obtain the software, and the last one is use internal staff as much as possible for planning, analysis and installation. Okay, this is role and responsibility, which is consist of name of sponsor, project manager, director, human resource and team member, and also will provide position and their responsibility. Okay, in this project charter we have to get every sign of top management, which is sponsor, stakeholder and so on. So it will leave the comment that to comment about this project will be success or not. Okay, in this project timeline we going to about a Gantt chart, which is the duration and guidelines we will follow during this project. So in this Gantt chart we will follow about process of project management, the basic process, which is consists of initiating, planning, design, develop, implementation, user experience, basic presentation, and the last one is about final presentation, which is the complete of project. So in the basic of process project management is have five process: initiating, planning, monitoring, executing, monitoring and control, and the last one is closing, which is we will present about this complete project. So this Gantt chart is about the guideline of our worker will follow this instruction. Okay, we going through after doing project Gantt chart, then it will followed by project milestone, which is the detail of who will responsible in this task, which is for example initiating discussion on the group to build project. So it will responsible to Izzuddin and Ikram. Then create team for the project, Izzuddin, and the status will be complete if the the task is complete. Then based on the duration will be give. Okay, next. Okay, follow a design, implementation, then the last one is about user experience and final presentation, which is we will launch the mobile application. Okay, the next one is about the project estimation and budget, which is the budget that we will use during develop this project, which is about task, project design, develop functional specification, develop system architecture, develop preliminary design specification and so on. So it will give time to complete the task, and it also will give where the task is going to use the budget. And so this is our estimation. Okay. Project development about 3 months, but develop component about 3 months. It will use about 10 100,000 100,000. Okay, we going through about this budget. Okay, and the total of the estimation is about 1,000. Okay.
Okay, next is project prioritize risk. The problem and risk that will be faced during this development time has been below. It starts from ranking 1, which is the most potential risk. Potential risk is lack of input from PLSB internal consultant, lack of input from client representative can meet the criteria expected by PLSB. Security of the new application, a delay in one task cause creating delay in depend task. Developing process of the application takes longer than expected. Providing an efficient search feature and user friendly, getting good feedback from PLSB team and user. And the last one is effectively promoting the new application. Okay, for the system architecture, it will be implemented on iOS and Android platform. It uses HTTP protocol, which is more secure than HTTP. Web server has been used to serve the file that from web page to user, and all activity will be secure using SSL.